everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you a sneak peek at my brand new So Kate's. I don't know if you have watched my last video, I will link it somewhere down below, up above, all that. But I recently did a clear out of my wardrobe and put things up for sale on Depop, and I promised you that when I did sell some of those items that I would repurchase more shoes. And so that is what this video is. This is one of the items that I have recently bought, and yeah, that's all there is to it. Let's go ahead and see what I got. So one of the things that I should address that I always forget to say is that I've also changed my filming surroundings, and that's because I just decided that it might be worthwhile testing out different areas of my house for filming and to maybe see if I can address sometimes the echo that appears in my videos. So I'm actually sitting in my lounge today, hence my pillows and different surroundings. But one of the things I wanted to say is when I usually do an unboxing, I never do it right from the very beginning when the package actually arrives. And that's because usually I forget and I open them just to see the box and make sure that it's what has actually arrived and that it's not something off Amazon. But this time I actually have kept the box. I've just opened it up so you can't see my address. But this is a real live unboxing, which mine are usually kind of unboxings, but not really, but they are. But I'll show you what I mean. Let's go ahead and actually open it from it basically has arrived, just not showing my address, if that makes sense at all. So as you can see, I'm actually opening this in my hallway, so apologies if it's a bit echoey, but this has been sitting in my house for a full week and I just can't bear to open another box or something like that in my carpet. I think you're sick of seeing my carpet, so I thought that I'd show you a bit of my floor elsewhere. So I'm literally sitting in my hallway, but as you can see, I haven't opened it. I've just opened this bit so that you can't see my address, but let's go ahead. So it comes in this cardboard box, nothing too fancy, and then inside you have the lovely Christian Louboutin envelope. That I had to think about that. It's an envelope, and it just has a little Christian Louboutin seal here, which is really nice. But in here obviously is all my payment details, so we show you that all the time. We, as in just myself. And then you have this beautiful wrapping and the Christian Louboutin sticker. And usually I have this pulled open, so I can never show you this bit. But then inside, and let's try not ruin it, but no matter what, it does always rip for some reason. God knows. But let's just take it out. And I'll move that lovely cardboard box away. But as you can see, it's sealed here, here, and here. And we'll just go ahead. I'm not that person when I receive gifts that I try to keep the wrapping paper, because I know I just get too excited. But yes, so it comes with that wrapping paper, and then here is the box, which you always see me unboxing anyway. So let's get to the main part and let's open this bit up. So let's go ahead and get to the bit that you want to see. We'll lift the box off, and inside you have the heel replacements, and I love these wee bags that they come in. And you also have basically a note from Christian Louboutin marked at the back, but you've seen this before as well if you watch my videos, and it's basically just saying while you're trying them on, make sure to keep the stickers on the bottom and wear them on like carpet so that you don't scratch them, which is understandable. Christian Louboutin, it's understandable. So let's go ahead and open them up. So pretty. Okay, so we have a dust bag wrapped round, but we shall have a look. They are these gorgeous, multicolored, sparkly suede, would you believe it, shoes. And they are of course So Kate's, and the bottom has the protective sticker on it, and they're even nicer in real life than on the internet. So that's the first one. I was going to film this on a marble table that I have, but then I realised that it's bad luck or superstitious to put brand new shoes on a table. I'm not sure if it's your kitchen table or just a table, but I didn't want to try anyway. And then the next one comes wrapped in the dust bag as well. And that's what it looks like. And again, a protective sticker on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and have a look at them up close. This is what they look like. I'll bring them forward a little bit more. And as you can see, they are like purple and blue and sparkly round the front. And then they move into turquoise and yellow and then pink and then red. So they literally are the colours of the rainbow. And I just fell in love with these. I fall in love with all the Louboutins, but these just caught my eye. I just thought they were something different. I would really like to style these with a pair of like light blue denim jeans, not the light blue, but the kind of in between denim jeans, a few rips in them, and just a plain white tee and a nice blazer. I think that would look so classy with these. But in case I haven't said, these are the So Kate Unicorn suede. Believe it or not, this material is actually suede. It's so soft. But I just absolutely love them. I'm not going to keep saying that because I always realise I say that in so many. And I'll bring the other one over so it looks like I actually have two. But I think that because they have so many colours in them, they actually look quite white on camera. They're a lot more multicoloured in real life. But because they have so many colours in them, I feel that I'll get a lot of use out of them and that I'll be able to style them with lots and lots of different outfits. These would be really nice with just actually a plain white dress or, you know, like a summer dress. They really are a summer shoe. However, I will be wearing them in the winter. But again, yes, I think I'll get so much use out of them. So these are the So Kate and these are the unicorn, suede unicorn. So as per usual, what I'll do is I'll pop them on and show you what they look like on. But yeah, you know I love my So Kates. What can I say? We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for your support on my last video. It was great to see that you liked the items that I had up for sale. I will continue doing that, and I will try notify on my Instagram if one of those are coming up and yada yada yada. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!